I've added one more bearing flat on the outside of the C channel. This will allow me to add the shaft collar. I'm going to be adding 5 shaft collars in the areas that I'm noting. So let's start by placing those shaft collars. And they're in the motion folder. I'll place all 5 of those now, but I'm just going to show you how to place one of them, and it's the same workflow for all 5. So in this case we have circular edges to work with, so we can use insert constraints. Be careful when you're selecting the edge on the shaft collar, there's a chamfered edge. Be careful you don't select the smaller inside edge. Now with the insert constraint applied, I need to align the shaft collar to the shaft. And as we've done before, we'll use an angle constraint. And with that first shaft collar in place, you can go ahead and apply the same workflow to the other 4. The bearing flats require bearing pop rivets to hold them in place on the channel. So I'm going to go ahead and place 6 of those. To start that workflow, I'm going to turn on the visibility of that C channel. And I'll show you the workflow for the 2 rivets on the front. Those rivets are in the structure folder. And I'll place all 6. There are going to be 2 on the front, and then the 2 bearing flats on the back require 2 per bearing flat. We're going to be using eye mates to attach these. Now as I look at this, we probably need to turn off the visibility again of some of these channels and or the gears. So let's start by turning off the visibility of that channel. And rotate that around and see if we can see the holes a little more clearly. And looking at it, I think we're probably going to have to turn off the visibility of that gear as well. The pop rivets come from the left-hand side and go through to the other side, so that was a little better. I see that much more clearly now. And using our eye mate workflow, select the eye mate, hold down the Alt key, release the Alt key, and snap it into place. That's pretty quick, so I'll do the second one. Select, Alt key, release the Alt key, and snap it into place. To complete the assembly of the bearing pop rivets, I need to turn on the visibility of the gear. That's that 36 tooth gear. I'll also have to turn on the visibility of the C channel. And the workflow will be the same, using those pop rivets and the eye mate workflow.